Hi guys, this is Katja with Creator Summit Studio. This week something different but creative anyway. No papercraft this time. I don't always have enough time to do enormously large papercraft projects like I used to, but I do stay creative. And one of the new ventures that I'm trying is doing my own nails, as you can see here. So decorating them as creatively as I can, and I did these myself. So today I thought I might share how to do that. So there is a nail tutorial this week, and this is with working with nail polish, but also with some scrap supplies, as you will see. It's not these nails that I'm showing you, but similar ones in different colors. So it's about the technique and how you can decorate the nails of your right hand with your left hand if you are right-handed, or the other way around, of course. So I hope you find this entertaining as well. It's just a new adventure for me and I'm just trying it out, so let me know what you think. But I will see you at the end of the tutorial, so have fun. Alright, here we go. I already prepared the nails by polishing them with 2 or 3 layers of nail polish and gluing them onto some sticks with some masking tape. And now I am going to decorate, and I'm using some tiny nail strips to do that, and the color doesn't matter because I'm going to use them as masking tape. So here you see me trying them on, finding the right angle. And I'm quite satisfied with this. So I'm going to add a second pair of small strips to do another pair of angles. And here you can see me moving them around with some tweezers until they are placed just so. And I can do some nifty decorations. I'm working with 3 colors of nail polish today, and this is the first one that you see me applying here, sort of a dark metallic orange, and here I'm adding a second orange to it, which is much brighter, and there you go. So it's covering the masking strips a bit, but that is the point of the masking strips. So I'm going to lay that aside for now to let it dry a bit and work on the second nail, also the one that will go onto the thumb. So I'm starting with the larger pieces to get my polish on, and to get my movements correct, and to get the feel of it. So I'm applying these colors on top of the base color that I already applied. So I applied the red-orangey base color and then added the other 2 oranges to it. So just on top of it. Now you can also use an actual narrow nail masking tape that you see me use here. And I find that it was a bit easier to remove and the nail polish would stay flatter, so you won't have a ridge when you remove the tape. So you get a very neat and tidy result. Now for the next nail I'm going to try to do it without any masking tape, so just doing it from the hip, shooting from the hip, and no masking tape at all. So here's the second one that I do like that, just eyeballing it. And that's okay too, but not as neat and tidy. Now a very nifty nail tool is a very thin nail brush with which you can draw the thinnest lines to decorate and add some extra interest. So I'm trying my hand at that here. And I am using it on several of my nail set, and I feel that this really adds some interest and it makes the other decorations really pop if you use these kinds of lines. You could also use black or white. I'm using the darkest orange of the 3. Now removing the decorative masking tape, it leaves a little ridge as I said, but we'll work on that later on. So removing all of the masking tape here. And now I'm going to retouch the little ridges and make them disappear. And onto some extra masking tape, this time for a second row against the other angles. And they are not dry yet, so I have to be very meticulous about it. Very precise and take my time to do this. Now when all of this was said and done, I discovered I had made some boo-boos. So I am going to show you how I corrected those. So I just added another layer of the base color coating that I have underneath all of the other colors. So look at the result. It is neat as it was. Now onto the next nail. Here I am using the tiny brush again, eyeballing my way onto another decoration and yeah, coloring the bottom half. And now it's time for some blings, and this is Bo Bunny, guys. These are my scrap supplies and I'm going to use these little blings to decorate my nails, 2 of them as a matter of fact. And they are great because they are self-adhesive, so you can wait till your nail is dry and then stick them on. And now it's time to let them dry. Now you may have noticed that 2 of the nails already had some blings on them, and this was again a Bo Bunny bling plus a little flatback pearl. And I just simply forgot to film that, so here it is. Insert it again. When everything has thoroughly dried, add a layer of top coat, and don't be sparse with it. After the top coat has dried, you can remove the nails from the sticks, and then you're done. Completely dried, completely shiny, and you have done both the left and the right hand without any problems whatsoever. Alright, and we're back. I hope you enjoyed that and I hope it was clear to you. So we did these lovely nails in the orange and red tones, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you found that not just entertaining but also that there was some information for you there and maybe some tips. And in my next nail vlogs, which won't be next week, I won't do this weekly, but you know, every once in a while, I will show you different techniques, working with decals, working with some pre-decorated nails, but adding your decorations from your scrap supplies to those. I will show you how I attach them to my fingers, well, that sort of stuff. And like I said, not weekly, so don't be afraid. There will still be some papercraft here on this channel, but other creative ventures as well. So, I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Press the like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel if you do that. Click the bell for notifications to get a notification every time I upload something cool. So, thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.